First, we want to get the shape of the heart. So I'm going to select the trace area. And set the threshold up just a little bit so that I get a nice solid yellow. And then I'm going to say to trace the outer edge. Now when I do that and I move this aside, now I have my heart shape. Next thing is this pattern. I'm going to again select a trace area. And set up my threshold so that I get some nice solid looking lines. Usually this is, just keep setting it up until just before it starts to, it's starting to blow out. So I crank back just a little bit. Okay, and in this case, I'm just going to say trace. Okay, and I'm going to pull away the pattern that I traced. And you can see that this is the lines are drawn on each side of the black line here, so they're all double lines. So I'm going to put it on my heart shape. I can decide to make it smaller if I want, or bigger. And then I'm going to pick both of those shapes. Say Object, Modify, Intersect. And there's just my heart. Now, if I'd been smart, I would have saved my heart outline from before, but I didn't, so I'll just get one again. And I can place that around the outer edge. And there we have our shape. I usually set a group so that it doesn't get away from each other. And we can use that with the foil quill to make a design.